Alright, good.
Hey guys, Sucker Homie here. I'm back with part 2 to the series. So, I'm just gonna go in the water.
Give me your hand though so I can help you because it might be...
I am fine.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not cold. What was he talking about?
I don't know. He's always cold, so the water's great. Just be careful. Don't go to the edge. Don't scare me. The water is beautiful. You even got a foot massager. Look. There's Becky putting her feet in the foot massager. That feel good?
Yeah. Yeah, it's not cold. It's not like ice cold or anything.
No.
I feel like I could swim in this.
Here, put your feet in here. See how deep it is over here.
Oh my. I can do it. I'm young. Ow. Yeah, this is nice. It's not teasing or anything.
Careful going back out. Just tell me when you're done so I can...
We should probably go back down there and do some stuff down there.
I'm not going back down. I don't have the shoes to go down there. Sorry, honey.
You can just walk around. And I can take the camera.
Okay, fine.
And I can go down that way.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Actually, you're going to have to take my shoes.
Oh, thanks. I got to take the shoes now. I got to...
Yeah, but I can't take...
Alright, go cross. You gonna shut it?
I'm getting angry.
This is right here is past my ankle. It feels good. I just gotta get out.
You ready?
No. I just want to go look at the spot over there. Nice foot massager right there too. The waterfall.
Or do you want to do the foot massager right here?
Oh, that's true. I didn't see that one. I got it. I'm not that old yet.
I'm not either. That's why I didn't ask for your help. Yeah, but take my sneakers because
Alright, well, be careful going down.
I'll be fine. Probably.
Oh, yeah.
You should put that in your pocket. You won't fall. Here.
Well, yeah, but I'm recording. All they're going to see is my pocket.
I don't want it going around. If I lose it, I'll be screaming. You lose it.
You'll kill me. Alright, we're going back down the way we came. And I did this holding a camera last time. I'm gonna get myself killed. Do not do this at home unless if you're actually good at climbing, please. When I mean do this at home, I mean when you go out and explore and everything. That's what I mean. So, let's do this. So, I'm gonna go down in this area first, and we're gonna make our way down further. I was like, what is that? That's just their stuff. I got confused. Whoa! I'm okay. Surprisingly. Ow, ow. Oh, and there's pieces of glass. Yay. Huh. Smells good. What the? That's weird. Wait, is that me? Or is that the tree? It smells like perfume for some odd reason. I don't know what the heck. It could just be me. I don't even know. So again, this is part 2 of the waterfall series. And since my camera can't record over 30 minutes, I'm gonna have to do parts within parts within parts. But I kind of feel bad if you guys don't see all the parts because this is like a mini series too. I kind of didn't do this at the tunnel because it was only 18-minute long video, but now I kind of wish I kind of did, so it'd be better. Because if you guys loved that video, there'd be more parts to it and you'd see more. Except for like, I mean, I kind of did with the special feature with the bunker and everything, but that's about it. Ow, ow, ow. So here we go. Wow, wow, wow. Ow, ow, ow. Ooh. I love how the rock looks so much. Here we go. Going back in the water. Oh, it's nice. Ooh, it's nice. Ooh, it's nice. Ooh, it's nice. The mud is actually really good for your feet. And then it just continues there. This is like the medium part because we were on the top when I started the first part of the video. But now I'm kind of thinking that I should have went down and then up. But oh well. I mean, technically, I kind of did start from the bottom and went to the top, but I don't know. So we're gonna go over here. Also, there's no fish in this area. So there's this little thing that I showed you from up there, a tree from when we were up there. So it kind of just wanted you guys to see it up close more. Goes all the way up there. All the way. Oh my. There's little cool little foot pools here. Nice. So now we're gonna have to climb up, go up here. I'm gonna get wet, highly. But this is for you guys, but I kinda don't wanna get my camera wet just in case. So I might actually not do that. But it feels nice. Feels nice. Nice. I wanna go up close to put my hand in here. Alright, we're out, we're out. Everything's getting wet. Ah! Oh well. Like, I'm not soaking wet, but you can tell I'm wet. Oh. This is fun. I don't know where everybody else went. What I mean by everybody else, I mean my mom and the other person disappeared. Other person disappeared. I didn't want him in the video, but I was trying to record my mom, and I didn't want you guys to miss parts with my mom, so he just got in the shot. You can hear him talking to me in the background, but I'm not going to answer him. I know you guys are probably going to think that's rude, but if you saw my earlier videos, you'll understand kind of why. Alright, so this is part 2. See you guys soon. See you in the next part.